You want some peanut butter, Kaya? Look, peanut butter. Peanut butter. Oh, Romy's sneaking it from me, Kaya. Are you sharing? Are you sharing? Romy, some of that's for Kaya. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Kaya's so nice. Kaya's so nice sharing with Romy. I don't think you really want to, but Romy, leave some of that for Kaya. You have to be able to hold your own spoon, Romy. Okay, you're so nice. Oh, here comes Romy again. Okay, Romy, I think you've had enough. Romy, I think you've had enough now. You let Kaya eat it. You like peanut butter, huh? No, that's Kaya's now. You let Kaya eat it. You had enough. No, Romy. No. You've had enough. That's Kaya's now. Hey! Sneaky bird. Sneaky bird. You think it's all for you. It's Kaya's turn now. You're greedy. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. You like that, Kaya? Is that good stuff? Oh, here comes Romy again. Here comes Romy again. Oh, Kaya dropped it, Romy. Kaya dropped it, Romy. Oh, guess who's going to get it now? Tash is going to get it now. Dash has got your peanut butter now, Kaya. You dropped it. Is that good? Peanut butter smacking lips. Romy. And Kaya. Okay, say goodbye. Goodbye. Romy, say goodbye.
How you doing, Jess?
Oh, she's not in the mood.